Hi, it's Wayne Morgan with the Real Estate Business School, where you get your license and learn to use it. Today we're talking about using it, buying real estate property. Let me ask you a question. If you stopped working today, would your income stop? If the answer is yes, we have a suggestion. Do what we and many of our students have done. Generate ongoing income that comes to your mailbox whether you work or not. It's very simple. Here's how it works. First, find a house the owner doesn't want to own anymore. Then, call the lender with some money who's been begging you to bring them a loan. Take the money from the lender and buy the house. Then, put a tenant in the house who wants to rent the house from you. Then, take the money from the tenant, pay the lender, and keep the rest. You get a house someone else pays for. You also get the tax deductions, the depreciation deduction, the income, the equity, and the profit when you sell it. Over the years, the value of the property goes like this, and the mortgage goes like this. So your income goes up over time and the mortgage goes down. Now repeat that over and over. If you're interested in learning the details of how to do this, attend our next Principles of Investing course. We'll show you how, we'll coach you through the process, and we'll introduce you to lenders who will loan you all the money you want. If you want to stop working, yet keep getting paid, sign up now. Thank you.
Sign up today by calling 512-453-0900 or email us at info@buildmyrebusiness.com.